Good morning everybody. Today we'll show you the CX02 dongle, which enables the connection between tablets, smartphones or PCs in the Lovato devices. In order to show you a practical exercise, we've chosen to use the communication device CX02, a smartphone where we have already installed the free app SAM1, and a device with a frontal infrared interface, the digital multimeter DMG600. The first thing to do is to hold down the button for 2 seconds to activate the CX02 dongle. The LED on the left indicates the charge status. The one on the right shows the communication status. Steady red initially, then flashing. Now we can enter the CX02 in the DMG600. Now let's look for the CX02 Wi-Fi network on the smartphone. And we make the connection. When you launch the app SAM1 from your smartphone, the device is recognized immediately. In our case, the DMG600. The app shows a menu with several options, measures, commands, parameters, etc. Let's choose the item parameters indicated by the symbol with a wrench. What pops up is a menu with various items. The first parameter, which can be useful to change, is the language. We choose therefore the M02 utility menu, and in the sub-menu language we choose the one we want by pressing the OK button and then send. We wait for the parameters to align between the two devices indicated by the hourglass symbol, then we confirm the message. Let's suppose that in a plant we have installed a current transformer with ratio 300:5. To set this parameter, we go into the menu M01 General, and then into the sub-menu CT Primary we change the value. First we press OK, and then we press Send, and we wait for the alignment. As for the CT secondary, it is enough to repeat the same sequence. Finally, let's also suppose we have installed the DMG600 in a three-phase system without the neutral. We will also need to set this parameter in the P01.07 wiring configuration menu. We wait for the alignment and the confirmation message. That's all for today. We'll see you in our next tutorial.